Here I've got SHARP Aquos S2 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have. As you can see, there is plenty of them. In my case it will be English, and then click on next. Then connect to your Wi-Fi, so I will do it with HardReset.Info, and then once it's connected, click on next. Then log in with your Google account if you have one, so just enter your email address. And then click on next. Wait a couple of seconds and go with your password. Just let me show you. If you will click on this icon, icon, you will be able to see what you are typing, so let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, click on next. Here we've got all the terms of service, of privacy policy from Google, so if you will click on the link, you will be able to come along with all the info. So once you agree with them, click on I agree. And then enable some Google services, so you can enable or disable them. For example, let me disable Google Backup and then leave the rest of them and click on I agree. Finally, you can also add some other setup, but I will click all set. And then you can also log in with Smile UX, but I will skip it for now. You can add a fingerprint, but I will also skip it for now. And finally, select the theme that you would like to have. So as you can see, you have 3 possibilities. Let me pick the third option and then click on OK. Give your device a couple of seconds to upload all the info and click on finish. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can set up your device, change the wallpaper, add some contacts and do whatever you want to with your SHARP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.